Let's take a look at the recently redesigned wellness age from Technogym. So my wellness age is currently 24 minus 5 years from 29, my actual chronological age. Then here we have cardio, balance, mind, strength and body and mobility. These in total 6 columns make up the wellness age. I don't know if they are equally weighted, but yeah, well. So cardio currently is at excellent. I did once a VO2 max test or twice a VO2 max test in the gym where there is a treadmill where one can synchronize. The first one was at 52, but this was done with a elliptical and also after training, and the first one was done on a bike, which did not work particularly well. Then I also did the balance test, which is with the Technogym Wellness Hub or whatever it is called. And well, there are a lot of things one could do on this Wellness Hub. Then here we can see the mind. So that's also quite useful. I think that they integrated this. So basically also brain speed. I don't know exactly what brain speed stands for. We can actually take a look. So we can see that my brain speed is 63 milliseconds, maybe not exactly right now. And that's on, so there is only like one entry, I think, because I only did this test once. In terms of strength, it seems to be kind of either a connection issue or a subscription issue. At the CleverFit I train, I only have a basic subscription, and I don't know if basically the synchronization of the so if I do a set, I always log in with my band, and what then happens is that only partially the reps and sets synchronize, at least to this wellness age here, which might be a pro feature. So there are 2 different subscriptions, I think, and so it's just random what appears up here, and so that's kind of the big bummer. I mean, I go to the gym to get this assessed, and then it does not work properly. Then there is also the body. I did a couple of times a in-body test at the gym, but then I kind of figured, because of the lack of, so there is kind of a problem. If I go to the gym, then ideally for the in-body measurement, I would not have eaten much in the last couple of hours. Ideally, I would be still in my morning state. And if I go to the gym to work out, I ideally am already fueled. So that's kind of a problem. So basically there are these 2 different incentives, and therefore I rely currently on my Garmin Index S2, which is not the watch, but the scale I use in the morning to measure myself in terms of body composition. Then there is also a mobility test, which I also did a couple of times. Then we can also see favorites. So I did pick a couple of different ones, a couple of different markers, which I think is quite nice that they are visible here. And then one can actually get into all data, so physical measurements, etc., etc. Actually, these are now also made better. So it is kind of a, previously there was not, the date was not on here, and also some descriptions were less well descriptive. Advanced ECV divided by TBV. I have no idea what this is. Minerals. This is all from the in-body scale, I guess. Percent fat mass of legs compared to the ideal. Okay. I have a little bit too high fat mass compared to the ideal. It's like 113%. So ideal would be 0%. I don't know. Compared to ideal. Yeah, I don't know. So that's basically the new wellness age as it looks like in the Technogym app.